This is a World War I Nissen bow hut, reconstructed at Chiltern Open Air Museum. Bow huts were originally designed by Major Peter Norman Nissen to meet the need for a building that was cheap, easy to make, move around and build in different locations. Nissen huts had lots of uses, from providing soldiers with places to sleep, eat and wash, to being used as makeshift hospitals. At least 100,000 were produced during World War I. It was reconstructed at the museum between November 2017 and October 2018 after a social media appeal to locate one. The museum's learning programme was in high demand and we needed more educational space. We thought a World War I Nissen hut would be a great addition to the museum's collection, so we asked on social media if anyone knew of any that needed rescuing. We were actually offered two, and with a grant from the National Lottery Fund and another donor, we were able to reconstruct the Nissen hut on site. Reconstruction was carried out by the museum's buildings manager, our Heritage Lottery funded trainee and a team of volunteers. They were built from a framework of metal T-shaped ribs known as bows, hence the term bow hut. These bows had a wood lining between them, which soldiers often burnt in the stove while trying to keep warm. The bow huts had wooden floors, which were set on a brick pier. The hut now serves as both an exhibit building and a functional space for school workshops and meetings. Nissen huts were generally of 4 bays in length. We added an extra bay to create more room to combine school and visitor use. We added an additional door at the back to allow wider access for wheelchair users. The first bay is for interpretation and shows what it might have looked like if it was used as a space for a soldier. The rear is a multifunctional learning space with displays that tell the stories of local war heroes. These include Maude Grieve, a local herbalist who made and distributed herbal remedy cards and books. Local soldier Harry Marks, who was also a former resident of our Leagrave cottage. And painter John Nash, known for painting World War I frontline scenes, who used to use our Hill Farm barn as a studio. Richard Nissen, grandson of Peter Nissen, helped the museum team with the reconstruction and gave us access to his family papers. It was Richard who formally opened the building in 2018. To find out more about the buildings at Chiltern Open Air Museum, visit www.coam.org.uk.